Hey, my name is Deven. I'm going to give you a tour of my room in Plunkett Hall. Something that's essential for me is my weighted blanket. I can't go to sleep without it. Another thing is my calendar. It has all my important dates, my exams, my jewelry bag, and then I keep a handwritten note from my mom on there. And the last one is my stand. It holds my griddle, my coffee pot, my microwave, all the college essentials. Thank you guys for visiting my room in Plunkett Hall. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour, and go Bears!